people knew her by her will to make it whatever.
Hello guys, happy Monday. So time now is 10:54 in the morning. Good morning po. So it is Canada Day. Happy Canada Day to everybody. So hi, you say hi.
Happy Canada Day!
Sebi, Mia, say Happy Canada Day. You say hi na lang. Hi!
Hi.
So we are on our way to Cross Iron Mall. Well, wala talaga kaming plan for the long weekend. Bigla na lang nagyaya tong si John. Mag-ano daw kami, Cross Iron. Well, siguro kasi dahil sa Crocs ng mga bata, no? Kasi yung Crocs ni Sebi, super liit na sa kanya nun. Well, yung haba, sakto na lang. Tapos yung entrada, hindi na pumapasok yung paa niya. So, we need to buy him a new one. And Mia needs to have her own Crocs na kasi wala pa siyang Crocs. So, sama namin kayo sa Cross Iron Mall. Maulan today. So, may train na dumaan. So, medyo mag-wait tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung train. Yan. So, paano ko ba ito i-zoom? Ayun yung train, guys. Sebi, what is that?
See that train?
Yeah, see that train? That's right. It's a long train, no?
Yes, it's a long train.
Do you like the train?
Yes.
What color is the train?
What train?
Black train. Very good. How many train do you see? Is there a lot of train there? There's so many, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you going to school soon?
Yes.
Oh, Mia said no, but Kuya yes. Kuya Sebi, are you excited for school?
Yeah.
Mia no.
It's cute.
Yeah, go to school, yeah. So, si Sebi, malapit na mag-school this September. Magpi-preschool na siya. Tapos, ano tayo, back to school shopping. Kasi wala pa siyang backpack, new tumbler, tapos kailangan niya ng indoor shoes, sabi ng teacher. So, that's exciting. It's a new milestone for Sebi and her family. Ewan ko lang kung anong mararamdaman ko. Oh, ang ganda ng mga trailer. Yan guys,
Lalawin na nila ulit sa ano yan,
mga trailer.
storage nila.
Kasi tapos na yung long weekend.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on
So, dito na kami guys. Papark lang kami. And yeah, I'll see you guys inside. This is the first time na magvo-vlog ulit ako na may kasama mga bata na nasa labas. The last time na ginawa ko to, si Sebi pa lang, na? Ngayon, dalawa na. So, let's try kung kakayanin ko. Yes, anak. What? We're here. Not we're there. We're here. Can you say that again, please? Say, we're here. Very good. Yeah, he's starting to learn words na kasi talaga. No, Sebi? You're starting to learn words na, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're getting really good at it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Okay, we found the parking. It's okay. Ha? Pinunasan ko yun.
Pinunasan mo ba?
Yeah, sige, put you guys in the... Wait, come on. Wait. Okay, go. It's raining, huh? You go. It's raining.
Kain na lang muna tayo or
Pwede, kain tayo. 11 na. Anong gusto niyo? Magano kaya tayo? Boston Pizza? Di ba naghahanap ng pizza yun nung isang araw?
Debbie, do you want pizza? Do you want pizza? Yeah?
Okay, let's go have some pizza.
I can tell you my beer belly is well.
No.
Ay, no, I'm sorry. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Tapos sakto talaga dun sa loob ng box niya kinokolo.
Hi. Hi.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Look at you. You're amazing.
Hi. We're old. We're old. Yeah.
Let's color this one inside the box. Like this.
How many crayons do you have? Debbie, how many crayons do you have? 3. What color is this?
Red.
Red. What color is this?
Yellow.
What color is this?
Blue.
Yay!
Can you count again?
1, 2, 3.
Good job.
Good job! Yay!
1. 1.
Good job.
We have pepperoni pizza and some pasta. Okay. So, galing kaming Crocs. Naka-ano sila? Buy 2, get 2 free
For sa clearance.
sa clearance. So, yung receipt nandyan. Okay, so, hindi ko na na-vlog guys kasi ang sikip-sikip sa loob. Siguro mamaya na lang pag-uwi sa bahay. Yung dalawa. Trying it out with mama. That's pretty. That's pretty. These ones are cute. You like that one? Okay, so yung bag na yon naka-sale. From 400 naging 159 na lang siya. Tapos may additional 15% off pa. So that's not bad at all. Oh, wow, what's that? Yeah, I can see. I know. What color is that? Very good. Wow, ang galing. Kinulayan. No? Okay. Oh my God, ang dami pinaglalagay na laruan. Mia, come here. Shopping sila, oh. Hi guys. It's now 2:43. Na kami sa sasakyan. Si Mia tulog. So, pauwi na kami. So, tumigil lang kami saglit dito sa Gongcha. Tama ba? Gongcha. Yeah, Gongcha. Bilang kami ng drink. Hindi na kami nakabili dun sa mall kasi ang haba ng pila. for some reasons, dumami yung tao kanina. Sobrang daming tao nung almost done na kami. Tapos at the same time, sobrang tagal namin dun sa area ko sa namin kukunin yung phone namin, sa phone line namin. Ang haba ng pila, ang tagal. Tapos, meron pa dun na nag-cause ng scene, nakakaloka. Hindi kasi makaantay. But yeah, dati yung mga bata, kamusta? Si Mia nagnanap eh. Ipakita ko sa inyo. There's Mia napping, and Sebi I think is napping din. Alright. So both the kids are napping. So I don't think ayoko muna sila ibaba kagad kasi baka magising, sayang ng nap nila. So hindi ako nakapag-sunscreen, parang feeling ko umitim yung noo ko. Yeah, the kids are sleeping right now. So, super cute nung bag sa coach kanina. Yung pinakita ko sa video. Kaso, sinukat ko yung phone ko. Tinatry kong ilagay yung phone ko sa loob. Hindi kasha. Yeah, so it really defeats the purpose of having a bag, diba? Kasi para sa akin, ang pinaka-important is yung bag, at least, kahit maliit siya, malalagay yung phone ko at saka wallet ko. Yun ang pinaka-important. Pag hindi niya nagagawa yun, wala siyang purpose sa akin. Wala siyang kwenta. So, hindi ko siya pero ang ganda sana ng sale niya kasi from $400 something, $129. Plus on top of that, there's still a 15% off. Diba? So, sayang talaga. Kaso nga, feeling ko it's a waste of money. Hindi ko naman siya magagamit sa purpose na gusto ko. Kasi again, ang lang bandala ko pag lumalabas, dala ko is itong phone, yung wallet ko, car keys, tapos itong camera ko. So, yeah. Sayang siya. So, I'm not gonna get it. Kaya lang siya kinuha. Sayang eh. Pero I'm still on a hunt for another bag. Pero anyway, so far, itong tulad nito, yung LV corset ko, lahat dito kasha. Super luwag nito eh. As in, everything na ilalagay ko dyan. So, may space pa, di ba? May pocket siya dito. Tapos, di ko nadala yung wallet ko kasi ito yung nakalagay dun sa isa kong LV na, kita nyo ba? Yan. Ito, nakalagay ito dun sa isa kong, anong pangalan nga pala ng LV na yan? But anyway, yung isa kong LV na parang wallet on chain, ito yon. Hindi ko na nalipat yung mga card ko sa wallet, so dito na lang. Kinuha ko na lang siya, nilipat ko na lang dito. So, ito yung ginamit ko today. Ang problema ko lang dun sa parang LV ko na wallet on chain, hindi kasha tong DJI ko doon. Kaya itong cruzetan dinala ko. Kaya na si John. Tulog na pareho yung mga bata. Pareho silang nag-nap. Uy, tatalsik. Hi guys, good evening. It's now 6 p.m. So, quick haul lang tayo kanina bili namin kanina. So, yung pinaka-reason kung ba't kami nagpunta doon is because of Crocs. So, good kasi may sale sila. So, ito yung ating receipt. Hindi ko na go through. But anyway, let's start tayo. Ito yung kay Mia. It's so cute. Yan. Tapos kay Sebi, kasi naliitan na yung kanya ito. Hinuha namin siya ng bago niya. Tapos, this is John's. And this one is mine. Tapos, yung mga charms. Ang cute din ng mga charms nila. Ito kay Mia. Naka-sale nga to. Red tag. Dati itong 20 something, I think. Yeah, let's double check. Pero alam ko 20 plus to. Yeah, dati siyang, ayan, $24.99, ngayon 9 na lang. So, very cheap. Tapos, kumuha ka nito, Han? Dito lang nila nilagay. Yan, tapos yung charm kasi may sale din. Ito, kinuha ko na si Mia rin ng letter A. Kasi si Sebi, yung old Crocs niya, meron yung letter S sa name niya. Tapos may car na umiilaw. Kay Mia naman, meron siyang A. Ito, yung Amelia niya. Tapos, lalagyan natin ito. So, tingnan natin ng design. Oh, ayan, mga LOL doll ang ilalagay ko sa kanya. Ayan yung kanya. Tapos si John, ayaw niya maglagay. Ako, maglalagay ako, syempre. Lagyan ko ng ganito. Ang cute nito. Yan. Tapos, samahan natin ng ganyan. Tapos, ito yung mga free na eh. Cute bear. And some pineapple. Random cuteness lang. And what else? Yung cellphone namin, kinuha na namin. So, ito yung phone namin. Isa kay John, isa sa akin. Alin ang akin dito, Han?
Yung titanium, yung natural.
So, ito yung akin. Yes? Yeah, it's baby. Okay. Ito yung sa akin. Tapos ito yung kay John. So, that's that. And yung mga bata, may binili silang. I'll show you guys kung anong binili nila. Sebi got a dinosaur egg, right? How about Mia? What did Mia buy?
Puti. Tinanggal mo ni tali. Asan tali?
Open it.
Wow! Mia
Give me
got
your-
a
tali
doll with a car. Tali ng ano yan?
Tali ng gano'n sa buhok. Yung buhok.
Ah, okay lang. Wow, the doll has a dog. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Nice car. Broom, broom. So, yun na yun for today. Nalate na kami na uwi kasi ang daming, bumalik pa kami. Kasi una sabi nila wala yung phone, so biglang tumawag, andun na. So, bumalik na naman kami. So, there was a lot of back and forth papunta dun. So, yun. So, yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for joining me today and my family. Happy Canada Day to everybody here in Canada. And thank you again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na pinopost ko. And yeah, that's it. Thank you again and hope to see you again on my next vlog. Till then, take care. Stay safe. Good night. Bye for now.
People knew her by her will to make it whatever she put her mind to.